One of my favorite recipes, buffalo chicken in a salad. You're definitely gonna wanna keep watching to see how this healthy meal prep comes together super fast. The truth is that I've come up with a lot of buffalo chicken recipes thanks to my secret recipe, the slow cooker buffalo chicken. Essentially, you're gonna put your chicken in the slow cooker, add the sauce, and cook. Then you just shred it, and it works magically for so many recipes, and it's awesome for meal prep too. In your meal prep container, you're gonna make a bed with the lettuce, then place the buffalo chicken on top, top with the avocado, sliced hard-boiled eggs, some cherry tomatoes, and blue cheese crumbles. On top, we're packing some homemade ranch dressing that I made earlier by mixing mayo, milk, a little chopped parsley, dried dill, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. You just cover it with the lid, seal, and shake it to combine. You'll find the recipe for it as well as the salad in the description box below. But hold up, before we eat, let's add a little of the buffalo sauce too. This is really the best way to dress up any salad. The buffalo sauce adds so much flavor. I'm an addict. These meal prep containers will keep in the fridge for about 3 days, so all you have to do is pull one out and take it to work with you.